He was less than a mile away. $7.25 for less than a mile away. Tipped me $4 in the app, then a $20 bill in cash. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so today we're gonna be heading in here to get a haircut. Look at this nice, beautiful plaza up here. I don't even know what this plaza is called, but we finna step up in here. That's the spot right there. I see y'all in a couple weeks. Let's test this out. I just got my first order of the day, $5.75, 2 something miles. What was it? 3 miles at McDonald's. We about to head on over and get that done. Welcome to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. Today we're gonna do a little ride along, do some Doordash, see how much money we can make. In this channel, we like to help you maximize with all gig apps. So we're gonna be doing some Doordash, some Uber Eats, maybe even a little bit of Walmart Spark also. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm sitting over here in this Kohl's parking lot right here, and McDonald's is actually just 2 spots over. I got my next 2 orders, guys. And I'm in the old car today. As you can see, we in the Ford Escape. This back in the old days. Now it's hot and I ain't got no AC in here. So I may be switching to the Kia later on. But check this out. Next order came through. We got $5.25, 1.6 miles. And as soon as I pulled up to Taco Bell, which is where we at right now, they sent me an add-on. An additional $5.50 for what's that? 130 feet? All day long, I'm taking that. We at Taco Bell now. We finna go on up in there, get us some of that taco smell, and get this money. Next order, guys. Hold on, I got a screenshot of it. I'm using this new DJI Osmos Mobile 6 gimbal, and I'm having a hard time out here in the field now. I finally got it to follow me and move around and stuff, but this thing is tricky to use and it's gonna take some getting used to. But the idea is I'm trying to bring you guys better content, a better experience, and I ain't got no time for no cameraman. I ain't got no money for that. So I went and bought me a cameraman that can follow me around and follow my every movement while I'm on camera. So check this out. We only made $16.50 for that first hour. Horrible with Doordash, right? But I just got into my hour number 2 and I got my next order already. $11, 4.8 miles at CVS. And this is a shop and deliver. 1 item. And let's see what it is. I think it's like some type of COVID test. We finna go up in there, grab that real quick, and get this easy money. Now, I actually already checked in for this order. I think CVS is right over that way. So we finna head over there right now and get this money. Got our CVS COVID test. Now we finna head on out, get this thing delivered. This is why you need to go ahead and get you that Doordash red card so you can knock out some shopping delivers and get that easy money. We got $5.25 for 2.8 at Smoothie King. I was sitting right here in the Buffalo Wild Wings parking lot just waiting to see what Doordash was gonna send me. And it's only 3 o'clock, so I know that it's still a little bit early, but ain't a lot of orders out here right now. It's Wednesday, so I get it. I know it still ain't the weekend yet. Things ain't quite at their busiest yet, but I'm just picking up little orders I can get here and there. Uber Eats ain't gave me nothing. Walmart Spark just sending me Sam's Club offers. I'm not having none of it. I'm just trying to do little quick, easy orders, you know, make me a couple more dollars on top of the 27 that I already made earlier and just run it up. Now, I did spend $50 on the haircut. Had to go ahead and comp me an FDA haircut real quick. But now that I got that and I'm fresh and so clean, ready to go, I'm finna go ahead and make that money back. And with this dash right here, I'm sitting at $8.75. Got a $5.25 order, so that's gonna put me at about 14 bucks. So I'm trying to get close as I can back to that 50 so I can make this money back and actually be in the profit zone. But it's all good because at least I look good, so I'm cool with that. Now I just had to turn around in Jimmy John's parking lot because I went the wrong way. Shout out to Smoothie King, man. They got that drive-through action, baby. Let's go. I love it when I ain't got to get up out the whip. Look at them right there. They got the little Doordash logo. Look at here. Whenever you can get you some orders, drive through or curbside pickup, I need you to be maximizing with that, because this is what you got to realize. Whenever you picking up and you don't got to put this thing in park or hop out or turn it off and then hop back in, throw it in drive, now you win it, because now you saving even more time and even more gas, and that's the name of the game, maximizing every minute, every hour. I try to get at least 3 orders done per hour, but a lot of times I find myself getting 4 if I really push it, and this is how you push it. Hitting them drive-throughs, knowing which spots in your market gonna allow you to do the drive-through pickup and the curbside pickup and the mobile pickup. Any one of them pickups is the pickups you want to do, so you can get 4 per hour. You can get that money. 6 orders per hour. No, not $6 per order, $6 to $8. You do 4 of those per hour, you make you about 26 to 32 bucks per hour, and now you're getting it in. Next order on the tally, we got $7.75 for 3.3. Just putting the FDA glasses down for a second, but you know what? I think I'm gonna have to slap them right back on because now we got an order, and I don't even got time to sit and watch me a YouTube video. But it's all good though. I'd rather be getting to this money than watching this video. We got the Applebee's in the car, $7.75 for 3 miles, but it's actually less than that because most of the distance was them calling me over here. Let's get this money. All right, guys, we got that Applebee's dropped off, and $7.75 stayed $7.75. There was no plus sign on that one, so I knew it wasn't gonna change. Now, my dash did end, but it's about to be 4:30 here in a minute, and I'm gonna be able to hop back in 15 minutes earlier, so I'll be able to hop right back in. But I'm just surprised, like I haven't got no orders on Uber Eats. And the thing is, I just hit not platinum, I just hit gold. So this whole month, I've been building up points on Uber Eats. If you're familiar with the programs on Uber Eats, you know you can get green, gold, then platinum. And you're supposed to get, you know, better perks and rewards along the way. Well, I got my 100 points, right? I made it to gold, but I ain't got no orders since I hit gold. I'm like, dang, I was getting all types of orders when I was in green, but now that I'm in gold status over here on Uber, I'm not seeing nothing. Look, it's all good, but this just goes to show you can't depend on one app to make your money. You know, I've been making some good money with Uber Eats over the past week. Actually, over the past 2-3 weeks, I've been making good money with them. Just about as much as I've been making over here on Doordash. And I've been doing less Walmart Spark. I mean, 2 to 3 orders per week on Walmart Spark now. And that's okay, but the thing is, you can't depend on these apps, even if you get into a program or you get a gold status on Uber, or you get a large order program or a top dasher on DoorDash. Like, you gotta still diversify yourself enough so if one thing ain't hitting, you can switch over to something else at the drop of a dime and make that money. Now, I will turn on Walmart Spark just to see if I can get something, but I'm gonna also turn on Roadie too, because I ain't trying to be sitting for too long. Even though I only got it probably about 3 minutes until DoorDash let me back on the schedule, I'm still gonna try to see if I can get something else to keep them wheels rolling. You know what time it is? It's the end of the month. I've been sitting here for 15 minutes. I'm back in. My dash started. No orders. Everybody out here going for top dash. They taking all the no-tip offers, all the long distance deliveries. I wouldn't have took them anyways, but I'm just like, dang, no offers for real? It's dinner time. I mean, it's Wednesday. No offers at all, DoorDash? This is crazy right here. But you know what? It's all good, though. I'm going to show you what I see, what's going on in my day, the good, the bad. If I'm making money, if I ain't making no money, I'm showing it all. And I ain't making no money right now. I'm actually considering going to the crib because I done sat here, I done watched a YouTube video that neither one of these phones then went off. I ain't got a Walmart Spark. I ain't got a Uber. I ain't got a DoorDash since the Applebee's order. Looky here. 10 more minutes go by and I don't get nothing. I'm going to go to the crib and hang it up. Because I don't want to sit around for 20 minutes. I live close. I can go home, chill, hop in front of the computer and wait till it get a little bit busier. But we're going to see. I'm going to give it a little bit longer because this dash did just start. But man, I don't like waiting. Sometimes you just got to talk to the algorithm a little bit like, look, I'm about to go home. You ain't sending me nothing good. I ain't making no money. I ain't about to be out here waiting. I said those things out loud. And I think the algorithm heard me because they just sent me an offer. $7.25, 3 miles. It says it's a high paying order. And it looked like the map kind of crisscrossing. It's a little janky. I don't really think it's 3 miles, but it's a great offer. Keeps my wheels rolling. And it keeps me from declining anything because looky here. When you get to declining and that algorithm pick up that you ain't taking no offers it sends you, it just stops sending you stuff. It don't matter if you over 50% or under. If you decline too many orders in a row, it just straight up stops sending you offers until the next refresh. And every about 10 minutes, the DoorDash app will refresh with new offers. So if you decline like 3 offers back to back, in a short little 10-minute period, it'll stop straight sending you offers until the next round of new offers come in. Because it figure, hey, you ain't accept them 3 I sent you. You ain't gonna get more than 3 done in an hour, so it's gonna make you wait to the next 10-minute slot to see if you want some of those orders on that slate. So I'm glad I was able to accept this one. We pulling up the Fried Tux right now. I was actually in the next parking lot right over, so we finna be pulling up right over there. We're gonna pick this up. And this one ain't even a shop and deliver. It's just a pickup, so they should have it ready. Haven't been to this establishment in a minute, but I'm about to get this money, so I don't even care. Let's get it. Got our alcohol delivery in the car. We are only 1 minute away. Now we gotta do some identification verification on this one, but it's all good though, because for that low mileage and that high base pay and that generous customer tip, I'll do that all day long. Now it's not this street right here, but I think it's the next one. You can see right there, I just verified the identity. Boom, customer just slapped me with a 20. Let's go. I just got a $20 cash tip. It don't happen often, but when it do, it's well appreciated. That customer said that was his very first time ordering with Doordash. He ordered the alcohol and he didn't think it was finna get there that fast. Well, he didn't know he was getting FDA. I'm the fastest dasher in the whole Milky Way. You ain't never got no alcohol that fast. What? Man, come on now. And he left me a $4 tip in the app. Let's go. You cannot complain. Like, let's get it. It ain't gonna be like that all the time, but when it is, man, it is so good. He was less than a mile away. $7.25 for less than a mile away. Tipped me $4 in the app, then a $20 bill in cash. Let's go. This is, hey, my night wasn't going so good at first, but now it look like it's heading in the right direction. Let me see what I get next. Next up, we just picked up one from Crazy Bows and Wraps right over there, and they sent me a $6 plus add-on for Red Robin. So we heading up in here now. It's gonna be $10 for these two orders. I wasn't getting nothing for a nice little minute, but then they sent me that Crazy Bows and Wraps, so now we back on the map. Let's get it. We are 1 minute away from our delivery address. This is the Red Robin order. Now this one came in at $6 plus for a half a mile. So let's go ahead and see what it's gonna turn out to be. Now it is a hand to me, so we're gonna check in once I get the food in the customer hand. 6 plus turns into $7. Let's get it. All right, so for this next portion, we're gonna look over these Uber Eats orders that they blessed me with. Man, we got $21.18 for 16.2 miles. Yeah, that's not happening, Uber Eats. Sorry to tell you. Next up, we got $4.18 for, what's that? I can't even see, 6 miles. Oh yeah, they definitely tweaking on this one. Cause look, this is what you gotta realize. If I'm going 6 miles, ain't no way. That's basically a no-tip order when it comes to Uber Eats. That's ridiculous right there. Next up, $10.30 for 12.2 miles at McAllister's Deli. Yeah, this is gonna stay right over there because we ain't taking orders like that, Uber Eats. I actually was having problems with my Uber Eats app. It wasn't sending me no offers for the majority of the day. And then I guess I needed to just log out, log back in, reset it, and then they started hitting me with offers, but none of them was good. We got $17.85, 11 miles. Then we got $11.35, 6.8 miles. Now, that's not a horrible offer, but in the middle of dinner time, I'm not trying to go 7 miles away. And I don't want to suggest you do that either. Next up, we got $3.86 for a whopping 4 miles, probably an 8-mile round trip. Because in my zone, 4 miles is taking you basically to the edge. And for a no-tip order, that's not a good business decision. Next, after that, they sent me $10.24. They was just basically sending me bad orders all night, guys. This is the point of what I'm getting at. Every single order Uber Eats sent me tonight was not a great offer. And that's okay. It's not always going to be great, but you got to know your worth when it comes to these gig apps and especially food delivery. Now, this order, $8.85. Certain times of the day, I may take that. Right now, it's not one of those times. Like I said, it's dinner time, higher paying orders. If it's going that far away, I need a couple more dollars than that. And the same thing for this order, $9.64 for 12 miles, basically. It say 11.9, but that's basically 12 miles. You don't want to do an order like that, guys, unless it's like your last order on the way home. And I was trying to stay out and get money. This order right here is a possible order, like if you're looking for stacks on Uber. But it's still basically gambling because you don't know what you're going to get once you get 10 miles away, if that's going to be a profitable trip. This one right here, $11.68, 8 miles at Hawaiian Bros. Again, lots of orders coming out of these spots. Maybe I could have got a stack. I don't play that game. Oh, yeah, I forgot about this order. $7.32 for 18.2 miles. You know they had to go ahead and throw one more super far distance delivery order in there. Like 20 miles away? Why is you even trying to get that food from there 20 miles away? That's ridiculous. That was my day. That's all I got for you guys. I wanted to show you all of these crazy Uber Eats orders that I got today because, I mean, who is taking those? I'm not taking those. I suggest you not take those. Either do me a favor. If you made it this far in the video, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, and definitely check out one of these next videos YouTube is suggesting you to watch, because you might as well do that. And I'll catch you in tomorrow's video.